SEO, otherwise known as search engine optimization. It's what helps you get found in search rankings on Google and other, search engines. So I'm going to teach you a little bit about Wix SEO. And the secret with Wix SEO is that, on-page optimizations help. List your keywords as much as you can here. So think about what people are going to search. What you want to do is aim for keywords, meaning just words, that are high search volume and low competition. Dog boarding is going to be high, search volume, extremely high competition. Dog boarding in Massachusetts is going to be high search volume, very high competition probably as well, because, dog kennels aren't very unpopular, especially ice cream parlors. If we were doing that, that would be incredibly popular. So what you want to do is put the best ice cream parlor. Okay, that still might be taken. So we're gonna narrow this down a little bit more. So when we go to type our paragraphs, let's say we're doing dogs in this case. We want to say let's say dog boarding in, let's say, Toronto, Ontario. We can say we have the best. Okay, we provide dog boarding in Toronto, Ontario. So now you have the key phrase, dog boarding in Toronto, Ontario. You can also put doggy daycare in Toronto, a little less common, but still pretty common. So you can put all day doggy daycare in Toronto. I don't think there's going to be too much of that. So there you go, all day doggy daycare in Toronto. You want to make it look natural. We also provide all day doggy daycare in Toronto. There we go. So that's, you're going to keep writing. You're going to write that a few times on the website. You don't want to overload it with the same keywords, but at least use it twice, 2 or 3 times. But the main SEO for how your page is going to rank and the biggest affecting thing is right here. Head into pages, go to your individual pages, and then go into page SEO. You're going to hit this little thing and hit page SEO. Your site is ranking on Google as example site. You don't want that. You want your homepage to be generally like this. So let's say you're doing the ice cream parlor idea. You can do Bob's Ice Cream. You want to use this little line thing on your keyboard located to the right. Press Shift and hit that key. And then you're going to write a keyword. So a keyword or a slogan or let's say you do vegan ice cream. I don't know, vegan ice cream. This is something that will rank well. And if you're in a very rural area that doesn't offer vegan ice cream and stuff, you can put, I don't know, in middle of nowhere. And then you'll probably rank for vegan ice cream in middle of nowhere. And you want to do this to all your pages. You want to hit that button. You want to go to page SEO, and you want to keep editing those pages individually until all of your pages are, edited quite well and, displaying well for search rankings. So that's basically what Wix SEO is. I'm going to give you another bonus tip for Wix SEO in the next lesson, and that's going to go over backlinking, which is something you won't be taught in any other Wix course. I'm going to teach you the cheapest way to do it and the way that I like to do it. So that's what I recommend you do. Good luck with your Wix SEO. Let's talk about something a little bit more complex to rank higher.